If you have a OnePlus phone with Android 15 and you do not want to be disturbed while you are driving, you need to focus on your driving and you don't want that you have incoming calls, text, and notifications disturb you while you are driving. You don't also want to go in and disable the Bluetooth. You want to keep your phone connected and you just don't want those notifications or phone calls interrupting you while driving. So there's a feature known as Do Not Disturb While Driving found on your OnePlus phone. I'll show you where to go to find this feature, turn it on, and make use of it. So whether your OnePlus phone has Android 14 or 15 with the latest Oxygen OS software, use the quick access and tap on the settings toggle right here. Now you can go ahead and type in the search bar, do not disturb, but they'll give you more than one option. So to be exact, you want to go down where it says Google or Google services, this one right here, this option right there, okay? Now, once you go into this, you're gonna see something that looks like this. Google services, you'll see recommended in all services. You'll also see your email, but I kind of moved up the screen a little bit. And I want you to tap on all services. From here now, with all these different options, go down and keep going down until you reach the safety section. For some of us, it may be labeled differently. Go down to driving. So for some of us, it might be within this section here or separated with driving only. So go to driving, silence notifications while driving. So this is completely different from the usual do not disturb feature found on other Android phones. At default, it will be turned off, but once you have it turned on, it's gonna tell you how it works. And little that you know, your phone will actually be able to use the motion sensors and Bluetooth connection knowing that you are currently connected to a car and that your vehicle is moving, and that's when this feature will actually activate itself. So you'll have to turn it on, but it's only active once your phone detects that you are driving. So with that turned on now, it's going to go ahead and reduce the incoming calls, silence them, as well as text and notifications. Because if you want to keep your Bluetooth connected to your car and you don't want to have to go through the hassle of turning it on and off all the time, keep this feature enabled at all times for your safety, unless you don't care about your safety. Like and sub.